Welcome back, everybody. It is November, and I hope you're going to have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I hope you had a great Halloween. I can't believe it came and went so fast, which is why we need to start planning for next year's Halloween now, and that's what we're going to be doing on our channel throughout the year. As you have noticed, we did recently change the name to Happy Haunting, so when you see us, make sure you know that that is still the Best Things, although the Best Things is a completely different channel now, which you're welcome to check out if you like, where we'll explore other things throughout the year. I've already got a couple of videos in the queue. I just haven't got them uploaded yet, so we'll be putting some more material up on there soon, probably a lot more of our travel videos. I did one recently where I stayed in a Disney hotel, so it's kind of a Disney hotel review, because if you know me, my other passion besides Happy Haunting is theme parks and Disney and so forth. But Tom's going to be doing some traveling to Switzerland, so he'll be doing some vlogging there soon. So we're just going to kind of explore our channel options over there as well, but we are going to continue to haunt in our Happy Haunting channel. And as we like to do at the beginning of the month, even though I'm just slightly late, is give our patrons a shout out and do a giveaway. We're still, it's still business as usual here. It's just I took a little bit of a break after Halloween because it was so busy leading up to it, getting all the decorating out. I'm still continuing to try and churn out those videos very frequently as we got closer to Halloween. It was just exhausting, so I took a bit of a break, but we're back now and we are ready to give stuff away. Although usually, well, lately anyway, I've been giving away boxes full of stuff. I'm not even done putting my Halloween decorations away. At least I got it all out of the yard. I like to do that right away so it doesn't upset the neighbors. But like my back deck is full of props, as is my basement. I've got to get through it. Got to get through a lot of I've got to organize my stuff. I didn't even put out nearly half the stuff that I have. And it takes up room. So we're going to give it away going forward, but more on that in the coming months because we're not quite there yet. Got a lot of stuff just to sort through. But I'll tell you what we will be giving away here in a moment. But first, as I like to do, I want to give a shout out to our patrons. I got 2 new patrons in the month of October. That is Sharon Thomas and Stephanie Schrutek. So Sharon and Stephanie, thank you very much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. For those of you who are interested in joining my Patreon team, you can do so on the links below. Now you'll notice I did change the name of my Patreon page as well to Happy Haunting. But Sharon and Stephanie have joined my existing patrons, Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, April Johnson, CareyAnn Thomas, Craig Thomas, Carla Perea, Gareth Frewer, Luke Woodard, Prince Alarming 85, Rosemary Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Spooky Bev, Stephen Miles, TCatz Meow, and Teara. So thank you all for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it. But one more thing I like to do for my patrons, if you have a YouTube channel, we like to check in, see what you're up to. And I've got 3 of you with YouTube channels, so let's go ahead and take a look at your pages. We're going to start here with Spooky Bev, who I see has crossed the 100 subscribers threshold, so congratulations on that, Spooky Bev. However, I don't see any new videos since our last check-in. Spooky Bev in the past has put up some Halloween party videos, and I think some decorating, some store walkthroughs, and so forth. So I'm hoping that we're still going to see some Halloween material from Spooky Bev coming up, because I'm very curious to see what she did this year. But we also have Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones has made up for Spooky Bev in spades. It looks like since our last check-in, which I don't quite remember where we left off because I've been so busy I haven't had a chance to catch up, but it looks like she's put out at least 20 or so videos since we last checked in. And Indiana Jones likes to do crafting videos and DIYs and so forth. And it looks like her latest one is something about the Deering estate for Christmas, which I believe she volunteers at, which historical home stuff I absolutely love. So I can't wait to check that out. And again, I apologize, Indiana Jones. I haven't caught up yet just because I've been so busy. Right after Halloween, I had work travel. But there's lots of videos here that will keep us entertained going forward, including even some Halloween videos even up to, a week ago. So excited about that. Some sewing videos. But what is this? Christmas? It's too early for Christmas. We haven't even got to Thanksgiving yet. Although I did get the Christmas bug a moment ago, thinking I should start decorating myself. Speaking of Christmas, we have Create at Home with G's Christmas channel, which I haven't shown you before. So I wanted to start with that, but it's Create at Home with Elf Creations. And this is Gareth Frewer's channel. So it looks like he posts his Christmas videos here, some Christmas decorating and crafting and so forth. But his regular channel, Create at Home with G, is nearing 10,000 subscribers, it looks like. So let's help push him over the edge if we can. But he does all sorts of decorating and DIYs. Now, speaking of Christmas, another way that you can support the channel, if you're Patreon or not, is through my Amazon store. Now, I'm not saying buy anything. I don't even know if I have anything for sale in the Amazon store, but there's a link to the description below, or in the description. And if you just click to Amazon through my Amazon store link, we'll get a referral credit, and of course that helps support the channel and all of our fun giveaways. Doesn't cost you anything extra, doesn't add any additional fees or anything to what you're purchasing on Amazon. It just gives our channel a referral credit. So especially with all the holiday shopping we all have to do coming up, if you're not an Amazon shopper, you absolutely should be. It makes life and holiday shopping absolutely easy. I don't like people, and I don't like going to the mall and crowds and so forth. So if I can just live in my own little world on my computer, that's just heaven. And not having to battle the holiday shoppers, especially on Black Friday, which is coming up, even though I might do it anyway just for fun. But you can get lots of fun deals on Amazon for Black Friday too, and Cyber Monday and all of that. So just click that link in the description below when you're doing your Amazon shopping year-round. It'll help support the channel. So I wanted to say one more final thank you to my patrons for supporting the channel, and you for liking and subscribing and commenting on all my videos, and of course clicking on that Amazon link to make your Amazon purchases. But enough of that. It is time for this month's giveaway. Now, just like I said, I haven't even gotten to putting away my Halloween stuff, let alone putting together a box of goodies. So I figured I'm going to take it easy this month and of course promote my Happy Haunting channel. So I'm going to be giving away a Happy Haunting t-shirt this month. And you can easily find our Happy Haunting store on any of our YouTube pages if you go ahead and take a look, like we're going to do right now. All right, you can find some of our Happy Haunting merchandise on any of our YouTube pages. Just click on one of our videos, especially our latest nighttime walkthrough, which if you haven't seen yet, I think is pretty cool. But if you scroll down just a little bit, you will find some merchandise. If you're interested in Happy Haunting t-shirts, pillows, mugs, things like that, who wouldn't want this adorable little ghost that Tom designed? And of course, Happy Haunting, you can wear it year-round, obviously. But they come in a variety of colors. I prefer myself the oranges and the blues, but obviously this one actually looks pretty good too. Green's fun. They're all kind of fun. And any color can be yours if you win the giveaway. All right, so how are you going to enter to win? You need to leave me a comment below. Let me know what color t-shirt you would want if you win it, and we will do that drawing live as usual. We're going to do it this Thursday. I know that's not very far away, but we're already here mid-month almost. So we're going to do it Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern, live. You can join our chat room. I'll put up, there will be an announcement video, not a video, but an announcement link coming out soon on the channel. If you join us live, you'll help us eliminate everybody using a clue game like I usually do. If you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry. It's real easy. Just comment below to get entered, and you don't even have to be in the chat room live to win. But if you are, it's a lot more fun, and we'll walk you through how to do it. But that'll pretty much do it for today. Again, if you're interested in the t-shirts and you don't win, you know where to find them now. So it makes an excellent holiday gift, as well as anything you buy on Amazon, which you will use my link to click through. But anyway, that'll do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being patrons and supporting the channel. It means a lot, and of course helps with these giveaways. Make sure that you stay tuned for still DIYs, product reviews, and so forth that we will be continuing to do throughout the year. And until then, take care and happy haunting.